Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be using the Marrakech palette by Technic. This palette has a lot of warm tones to create the perfect soft autumn eye makeup look. But first I need to make some tea to set the mood. I'll be right back. Starting with my fluffy brush, I am dipping into the light brown peanut color. I am applying the shade all over my crease, lid, and lower lash line. Very subtle, to create the warm base. With the smudge brush, I'm picking up the lime green shimmer shade. This shade represents the ending of summer. This shade will go into my crease and slightly above. Now comes the pineapple shimmer shade. This represents the beginning of autumn. Follow the International Orange shimmer shade. As you can see, I'm not applying any shimmer shade onto my eyelid. You can see the green, yellow, orange. And now I am ending it with the red wine shimmer shade. The ending of autumn. Now with the same fluffy brush that we started with, I'm going to blend everything together. Now I am picking up the bone white shimmer shade with my pencil brush. I will apply a gel mascara to give that wet lash look. There you have it, that fluffy, cozy autumn look. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!